If you are trading with a playbook, you are just gambling. Yeah, that's truth. So today I will show you how to create your own playbook, how to build your own playbook, how to build your own strategies, setups, how to backtest, foretest, and have a collection and strategic data which you can trade in your future. Let me just define you what a playbook is. Playbook is a collection of proven strategies and setups for yourself which gives you a consistent profits along a long period of time, and this helps us to build your own edge. So what a playbook contains is a setup name, time frame, backtest, entry, exit criteria, risk to reward ratios, and a proven statistics data of that setup, or we can say of that strategy, which you are having already the backtested and foretested data. First come first, so we start up with about basics of playbook. So what a playbook contains? Playbook contains particularly 4 to 5 IMP things, which is like this is my own playbook which I have designed for myself. Well, you can build it by your own if you want to build in on Word, Excel, PowerPoint, whatever. I build it using Notion template. You can also use Notion to build your own playbook. So recently I have just using this 2025 general. Otherwise it was always my required edge, my rules, my plans, my strategies, my setups, and my journal. In this journal it contains all the backtested and foretested data of my strategy and setups with proven data. And after that I added a learning section where I list my all the books which is pending books, like I'm going to read this book, I'm going to this trading book, I'm going to read this book, and all the stuff, like I'm going to watch that video, and that all the learning part and all. Then it comes software and tools. Here you can see the software which I'm going to use, currently using to build my edge and to follow my edge, and also softwares which I'm going to purchase in future, as well as the premium software which I'm going to purchase for myself to help myself to continue and improve my edge. Another thing is like mistakes and tips, like if you want to add any notes for yourself, like okay, I have done this mistake, okay, these are the things were wrong, we need to improve, like that. So this is my playbook which I designed for myself, correct? So what it contains is tested setups of past data. Let's say you are having one strategy of whatever, like you use EMAs, order blocks, and whatever, but for that you need have some to use that strategy again and again. You need some kind of confidence, or we can say a data, statistics or data, backtested data, so you can repeat it in a future market, or we can say in current market. So you have to test that back 6 month, 1 year data, backtest that data, so that you can build your confidence and you can have a good edge with your trading setups. And also track the win rate, or we can say win ratio, like RR, we can say, like what are you getting the reward by risking how much points, how much percentage, and that's how you have to backtest and foretest your whole data, right? So there is one example of a range break fake out strategy which was having 65 win rate, which means from 100 like 10 trades it was like 6 trades were profitable, and something like that, right? You have to write it all the things in your playbook. You have to do all the stuff by your own. See, this is not a kind of a rocket science, or we can say very hard thing, or we can say a huge one, but the thing is this playbook can help you to build your confidence, to repeat this strategy and setup over and over again, and to have a proper management with your trades. So what it shows, you have to make like for foretested data. This is for foretested data, where you have to trade on simulated account, or we can say you can purchase one funded account to foretest your strategies or setup which you already write on your playbook. And you have to build the confidence by taking the live experience, like running market experience instead of backtesting. So foretest helps to build your confidence with that also. So playbook is what separates consistent traders from the gamblers, and that's why you have to use your playbook. And every trader, like billionaire trader, or let me give you one example of a Lance, who is a billionaire prop trader, 7 to 8 figures trader, and he is also giving a huge advice, and he's also giving advice to build your playbook first, then improve it in a consistent way. So let me just show you some sort of examples, so you can get how you can improve your playbook or how you can build your own playbook. So I'm just showing my playbook, and according to that you can go with that, and you will able to get the points and all. So like as I say, it's required edge. Whatever strategies I use, I'm going to require some sort of edge, which I have written in some sort of criteria, like volatility in play, what should be in play when I am in trading, what are the things I need to be noted, like any kind of news catalyst, volatility, volume, news, fundamentals, and etc. Then it's about trading rules, like so I have written some sort of rules, 10-12 rules, which are just like having a trade without like read your playbook, follow your playbook every day and go with that, and all the stuff like that. Then I have trading plan, or we can say about our strategies. So what will be the strategy, what could be the plan? So as I'm a trader who is already trading gold and Nasdaq, so I have written all the stuff like that. But that is the thing and all the stuff. Now it comes to strategies, how I use strategies, and my playbook, what my playbook contains. It's all about a few setups which are proven, which are already having a statistic data, backtested and foretested both, and some of them are not having still proven data, so it is not a strategy. So this could be still my setups, but this is not proven, or you can say I'm not having a statistical data, so I'm not going to use that strategy for now. So that's what my playbook looks like. Still I'm having more still I'm having that issue, like still after this defining and all the stuff, you have to backtest your data with your setups and take the screenshot of the backtested data, or we can say your trades or your foretested trades screenshots to be have more confidence and learn more by your own mistakes. And yeah, that's what my strategies, or we can say my playbook look like. And then still now main point comes is trading journal. After defining your trading strategies, entry criteria, exit criteria, break-even criteria, and all the stuff, you have to backtest your data. So I have backtested and foretested more than 1.5 year data, and currently still I'm foretesting and currently still trading, so it could be as my foretested, or we can say current trade data. So I'm still collecting all the data, and I have written all the stuff manually, like you can use it. You can see these my other accounts, like I have added for backtested foretested, even the live accounts are also been added. Then what is the trade ideas, like as you can see, you have to like add your trade entry, exits, what were the session, which how was the risk, what about the risk to reward ratio, what I got, like SL or TP, and other confluences like that, like this, like if you see this is. So as you see, all the data or the current data and trades has been written with all the data and all the criteria with the confluences, like what was the confluences, why I entered the trade, what were the arguments and all. After this journaling, after this all, I am also journaling in my own diary. So, and also I have started recording my videos, so I am journaling my trades daily 3 times, one with video, one with diary, and one with this journal. So that's how this helps me to improve my trading and improve myself. Still I'm getting some sort of FOMO issues, some sort of rushing issues to make money more and stuff like that, but that's all the normal things, as we are all human, it can be happen to anyone. So that's how you actually build your playbook, that's how you actually trade, and you follow your own system. After building this your playbook, after having your edge, you just need to follow it over and over again for a long period of time. That's it. So if you got any kind of question, just comment down below, I can reply it personally to anyone. And subscribe to our channel to get more information videos like this.